Hello, friends. Today we're learning about soil. Soil is the thing on the ground, the brown or yellowish sand you see on the ground. That is soil, and we're going to be learning about it today. Soil is a combination of various materials. It has air, water, minerals, roots, something called humus, organic material in it, and different things live in the soil. You have animals that live under the soil, like rabbits, you have insects, you have microorganisms you can't see without the aid of a microscope, you have the roots from plants, you have rocks. A lot of things live on and beneath the soil. Nature uses soil for many things. It helps plants grow, it modifies the environment by absorbing dangerous gases in the air and dust. Soil, like I have mentioned before, is the home of certain animals and bacteria. So, some animals and bacteria live in the soil, like rabbits, groundhogs, mice. Soil helps to absorb water and purify water on the land. Soil is also used in engineering. So, engineering is when we make things, when we construct things like buildings, factories, foundations of houses, the roads we drive our cars on. We use soil for all these constructions. There are three types of soil. We have clay soil, loam soil, and sandy soil. And in the next three slides, we'll be discussing each soil type so that you can understand better. The first type of soil we're going to talk about is clay soil. Clay soil looks like mud, it looks orange in color, it is very sticky, and you can use it to create a lot of art and craft artifacts. So you can use it to make cups, plates. It's also used in building for bricks and tiles because it's very sticky and it molds together into balls, as you can see in the picture on the screen. This is because it has very small particles and it retains water and nutrients a lot. Not all farmers can use clay soil, but those who are growing crops like wheat that we use for bread find it very useful because it retains water and nutrients for a very long time. The second type of soil is called loam soil. Loam soil is dark brown in color. It is also called farmer soil as it is the best soil for growing plants. Loam soil has a better drainage and water infiltration structure. It takes in a lot of air, and that is why it is good for plants. It contains more nutrients, moisture, and humus than other soils, and this makes it the best soil for growing our plants. So, loam soil is dark brown, it almost looks like black in color. The last soil is sandy soil. Sandy soil is the soil we find at the beach. We use it to play a lot. It is very loose. It has very, very big particles. It's very, very loose and it drains water a lot. So you find it at the beach. It's good for play, it's good for educational purposes, but it is not very good for planting. So it is sandy, and that is why it's called sandy soil.